Hello children, we have started the second lesson. A soldier's son was very brave, and what happened here? CO means what? Commander office. The boy reached the commander office and to give a letter that is given by whom? That is given by pilot. To whom he had given? Given to the boy. Understand? So suddenly a boy came to the Ambala station. He reached and he asked some questions to the sepoy who was sitting there, who were gathering there, and he asked them. Finally he got the permission to meet the CO, and one sepoy came and took the boy into the commander officer. What happened? He was there and suddenly he asked a question. Who are you? Who are you and why did you want to see me? The commanding officer asked. The boy gone with the sepoy and directly gone. Suddenly the commander officer or commander sahib, and what happened? He asked a question to the boy. What he asked? Who are you? And suddenly what the reply he was giving the boy? My name is Makbul Bar. My father was awarded a medal for bravery. What happened? What he said his name? His name is Makbul Bar. My father was awarded a medal for bravery. His name is Makbul Bar. But his father was awarded by what? A bravery. He got a medal. Who? A boy. Name is Makbul. Makbul father got a medal for bravery. And he died fighting for the nation. What happened? He died fighting for the nation, means for our country. And my mother and I live here now. My mother and I live here now. The boy was replying. I was watching the plane when I heard an anti-aircraft gun fire and saw the plane become unsteady. I saw my mother and I am living here in this area. Just I saw the plane. It was shaking. Why? Because anti-aircraft crash happened. Just I observed that. I saw him fall to the ground. When the pilot was taking the parachute and just he was falling, I saw the person. And I knew I must save him. Then he realized he has to save the pilot. The enemy was just a little distance away. But when the pilot was there, then little distance far the enemy were there. And what happened? I ran and bring him back by a shortcut. What happened? He ran near the pilot to bring him to the nearest station or some safe place by the shortcut. And when I reached him, I found that he could not walk. When the boy reached the pilot, that time pilot could not walk. There is a position of he got hurt from enemies and all. He was bleeding profusely. Means what happened? Greatly it was a bleeding leg and all. He told me not to worry about him, but try to get this packet to you and tell you that it must reach Ambala tonight. It is very important. But he said he is not thinking about himself, but he said he had given this packet to send it to the Ambala station, that too by today night. And son, weren't you afraid of the enemy? Then directly what? Commander Sahib is asking the question. Son, were not you afraid of the enemy? Enemies are this much. Are you getting afraid or what? You are not getting afraid. The Commander Sahib is asking to the boy. My father told me never to be afraid of enemy. What the boy answered? Makbul said what? My father already told me never to be afraid of enemy. Then they can't do anything if our number is not written on the bullet. When they will shoot, if our number is there on the bullet, then we will die. Otherwise, we won't die. My father said this. Who said this? Makbul said. To whom? To the commanding officer. Good. You are indeed the brave son of the brave soldier. Who replied that? Commander Sahib was very happy, and with the happiness he was telling, good, you are truly, indeed means what? Truly you are the brave son of a brave soldier. And has the enemy been able to catch the pilot? Is it possible that the enemies are able to catch the pilot or what? That commanding officer is asking. But the boy said what? I don't know. He said he was not knowing. And sir, I couldn't wait to see. He could not wait to watch that whether the enemies are able to catch the pilot or what. But when he got the letter, he ran and came and reached the Ambala station. I had to carry out my lines are. I also know where the enemies are standing. Already they stood. I can guide you it by a shortcut so that you can intercept them and cut off their retreat. What happened? I know where the enemy's lines of boundaries are there. I know very well. I know the shortcut how to reach their place also. I will guide and I will help you. Who said? Maqbul said to the commanding officer. And easily you can intercept means what? Easily we can stop them, and easily what happen of their retreat means what? We have to push them, means whether they are going to shoot or whether they are going to kill the pilot, means we can what happens, stop them. And we must go at once, sir. The enemy came on foot. What happened? We must go there. Enemies will surrender you. Who said this? The boy said to the commanding officer. If you take jeeps, you will be able to surround them and catch them. If you take jeep and if you come there, what happens? Easily we can catch the enemies. Instructions noted, sir. Action will be taken. Smiled the commanding officer. Commanding officer was very happy by taking the advice and guidelines from the brave boy. He was very happy. He had given smile and told what? Instruction noted. Sir, action will be taken. Action we are going to take. Instruction whatever you said, that will be noted. Then he said, and 5 minutes later what happened? The group of enemy soldiers found themselves surrounded by jeeps. Suddenly they took jeeps and went their place where the plane crashed. There they gone and surrounded the enemies, and there was no escape. There was no way to escape the enemies. One of them started to run. What happened? One of the enemies started running from that place, but realized that it was of no use. They realized it was of no use. Whenever if they run also, they will be shot by the police or army people. And throwing down his gun, and he raised his hands above his head. What happened? He thrown his gun also. He raised his both hands. Means he wanted to surrender himself. And the enemy was rounded up and the pilot rescued. What happened? Enemy are arrested by the army people, and what happened? Pilot is saved. And he was bleeding for had been dragged along which he failed to rise and walk evenly prodded with the bayonets. Bayonets were there to catch. Just to walk we are using that. We cannot walk properly, means that to get the help. That also he cannot lift. And he was muttering something incoherently, boy, packet, and he could say no more. The pilot was taken to the military hospital at once. Again he was bleeding much, that too. That pilot was thinking about boy and a packet ahead. Boy, packet he had telling. He was no strength in his body, but though he was thinking about the packet information, that is reached or what he was thinking, and suddenly what happened? The pilot was taken to the military hospital. And Maqbul, thank you my brave son. Now you must be taken home. Your mother will be worried about you. Then who said this? That Commander Sahib. And I am Maqbul Bhatt, son of India. He was telling, I am Maqbul Bhatt, son of India. And this is my land and these are my brothers. What happened? What he said, I am the son of India. Why? Because his father left his life for our nation, our country. That is why he said he is son of India. And this is my land and these are my brothers who were there in the spot. They were all my brothers. It is here that I was born and nurtured, means cared by all. When I was small, I am cared by all. And my father's blood is mixed with the soil of this land. What he said? My father died for the nation. His blood already get mixed with this soil. My mother's tears water the earth on which our crops grow. My mother's tears. When my father died, my mother cried so much that her tears get mixed with the soil, and the tears will be in the crops whichever we are growing in our field. My loyalty means what? A faithfulness. Loyalty rests here with my brothers. Loyalty rests with her in all the present, with my brothers. Blood relation of the soil, for we have broken bread on the same land. We have a blood relation. Why? Because my father's blood get mixed with the soil. Understand? and mother tears also get mixed with this water and be present in the crops, so that all we are having as a food. That is why we had a connection with relation, brothers, sisters and all. So we are in one family and we are family members. It is our country, it is our family. Who was telling this? Makbul was telling to commanding officer. And the boy who had been standing crumpled up all of a sudden and fell down. What happened? The boy was telling like this all and suddenly he fell down. The enemy had hit his leg. The enemy had shot him and for his leg and suddenly he fell down. And blood was dropping from the wound. What happened? Where he got enemy shot, from there it was a bleeding. And the commanding officer gathered a fallen figure in his arms and carried the child to the ambulance. And commanding officer holded his Makbul's body and went to the ambulance. And the boy stayed and grimaced with the pain. The boy was paining a lot. He was showing in his face. Major Dogra moved swiftly into gently eased his leg into the more comfortable position. What happened? Major Dogra, that army, what happened? Major was there. He was helping the boy. He swiftly, slowly, he was taking his leg into a more comfortable position. He kept in the ambulance. The commanding officer frowned in worry and his eyes brimmed with tears. What happened? Then the commanding officer was having a more tension now. Such a brave boy, he got and guidance from him. Easily they, what happened, caught the enemies on the spot. Understand? With the help of Makbul. And Makbul only got shot by the enemy. That time commanding officer was in a worry and he started a little crying also. So many tears are coming out of his eyes. Makbul smiled and through his dust-streaked face, a soldier never beats sir. And he looked toward the commanding officer and the Makbul said, what? A soldier never beats sir. Soldier cannot cry once also. Soldier cannot beat sir. Another voice from the somewhere far away, lost in a distant ear, seemed to say, one voice he got from that, a soldier never runs from the enemy. Father, you told me so. He must face the bullets even when they are tear his chest to shreds. What happened? A soldier never run from the enemy. We should not run. Any soldier is there, if he is a real soldier, he should not run from the enemy. You told me so. Who said this? That Makbul told to his father, and he was remembering this one. He must face the bullets. He must face the bullets which are coming towards us. Even when they are tear his chest to shred. When it is ready to tear the chest, it is going to touch our chest also, we should face the enemy. Yes, my son, a soldier must not weep. That is why that Makbul's father was replying, what? Yes, my son, a soldier must not weep. And weep means what it is? Cry. Weep means cry, tears. When you started crying means then water it comes from our eye, that is called water, weep. But the father's heart beats and bleeds with the blood of his son. What happened? Yes, my son, soldier must not weep, but father's heart beats when the bleed with the blood of his son. When the blood will come out of the son, that time what happened? Father's heart will weep. And I received the PVC for my son in the 1971 war. This voice is received from the far away places. PVC means what? That is a Paramavira Chakra. Paramavira Chakra, that is the name of award. India's highest military award it is. India's highest military award, who have showed every year they are giving in a Republic Day and all. Every year who has showed a lot of bravery in the war field and all, they will get this PVC means Paramavira Chakra. This award, this is the highest, India's highest military award. And he must have been very brave. You too are very brave. The commanding officer was very surprised toward these words. He already have been very brave, and you too are very brave. Sir, don't worry, it will be all right. I am a soldier's son and I too will become a soldier when I grow up. What the Makbul replied? Don't worry, son. When I will grow up, that time I will also become a soldier. Next, you my child are a soldier already, aren't you? What the commanding officer is asking question. You my child already was soldier, aren't you? Again, why you want to become a soldier? We are proud of you. Hope that someday you will lead our army with the same daring and courage that you have shown today. What the army commanding officer is blessing that Makbul, one day you will lead this army with the same what happened daring and same courage what he showed on the spot. Understand? Such a brave boy and such a courageous boy that Makbul. It is a story. Very nice it is. Understand children? Here is a new words. Bravery means what it is? Fearlessness, readiness to suffer danger and pain. And the second one is gasping. Gasping means what? Catching breath suddenly and in a way that can be heard because of fear and shock. Hesitation means slowness in deciding what to do. Grimacing means showing pain which makes the face unnaturally twisted. Incoherency means not clear and hard to understand. Next is passionate will, strong and deep feeling combined with the strength of mind. Next, plummet, fall, steep climb and suddenly. And staggering means having trouble standing or walking. Rescue party means party sent to save the pilot from harm. Streak means move very fast. This is the lesson and glossary. Both lesson also you should read and glossary also you should read daily once, twice. Understand? Then you will become a good in reading also. Understand? Okay. Bye. See you.